In this series, we are going to discuss about different MCQs, that is your multiple choice question. And out of this series, in this first video, we will discuss about your introduction and history of your insect ecology. So in this series, in this particular video, only 10 to 11 questions are there. We will discuss all of those things. And like this, what we can do, we can complete your whole course of ecology and rest of the courses. Whatever we will discuss, we will go for MCQs also, so that you can have an idea of what questions may come, what are the important questions, all those sort of things. So without wasting any time, let's start. So the first question is your term ecology was coined by. Okay, this is a major important question. I have told you in those videos, okay, theoretical portions. So the options are your Ernest Haeckel, Epiodom, Tansley, A.G. Tansley, and none of the above. So what is the answer? You can tell. The answer is your Ernest Haeckel. Yes or no? This term ecology was coined by whom? Ernest Haeckel. Okay. Now coming to the next question, that is your term ecology derived from. That means this term ecology is derived, okay, from which word? Whether that is British, Latin, Greek or Sanskrit. Okay. So the answer is your Greek word. Okay. The answer is your Greek word. That is the answer. Okay. Greek word will be your answer. Then now coming to the next question, that is your meaning of oikos and logy. Okay, these are the two Greek words actually. Okay, oikos and logy. What are the meanings? Here the options are your food and habit and study of, predator and parasite, ecology and ecosystem. So what will be the answer? Answer is your option B. Oikos means the habitat, the nature, okay, and logy means to study. That is the normal word. Yes or no? So coming to the next question, that is your who is regarded as father of ecology? And the options are your Ernest Haeckel, Epiodom, Tansley, none of the above. What is the answer? Epiodom. Okay. The answer is your option B. Okay, you see we have completed A also. Yes or no? Ernest Haeckel has coined the term ecology. Epiodom is known as the father of ecology. How he is defined? Study of structure and function of the nature is known as what your ecology. Okay. Then who is Tansley? He has coined the term ecosystem. Okay. It may be useful for you. Okay. Then coming to the next point, that is your, you see properly, study of an individual organism, only individual organism, or an individual species, or it may be a species, in relation to its environment is known as which kind of ecology? Generally you see this I ecology is not there, ot ecology, syn ecology, sync ecology. Three options are there. So what is the answer? Individual organism means the answer will be your option B. Yes or no? Answer will be your option B. Okay. That is your ot ecology. Understood? Now coming to the next one, study of the group or groups of organism associated in a community in the same environment. That means here not only individual organism or not only individual species, here all of the population comes or all of the communities come. Yes or no? Study of the group or groups of organisms. Okay, that is known as your what? Syn ecology. The answer will be your option C. Okay. Then next question is your place where the organisms live. Okay. Options are habitat, population, community and ecosystem. So what is the answer? Answer is your habitat. Yes or no? In habitat, organisms lives. Now the next question is group of individuals of any kind of organism of the same species. Okay, you see group of individuals, not group of different species or not group of different population. Okay, the term is group of individuals. Okay, what is the term related to that? Answer will be your population. Understood? So group of individuals means that will be your population, but they must be in the same species. Going to the next question, that is your ecological sense that includes all the population of a given area. That means here union of populations will be there. That is known as what? Your community. Yes or no? The answer will be your community. Okay, very simple questions. In my first video I am giving you very simple questions. Okay, so gradually we will increase. Then the next question, 10th question is your insects of different species found in a particular place at a particular point of time is known as what? You see, insect of different species. That means it will be your insect community. If the question will be insect of same species, then that will be your population. Okay, a particular population will be there, like your honeybee population or any species, specific species population will be there. But now here what is happening? Different species of insect are there, so that will be known as your what? Insect community. Okay, so guys, like this we will continue. Okay, each part I will try to just complete. Okay, one by one we will discuss some of the important MCQs because nowadays, you know, most of the exams are in MCQ forms, so I hope it will help you. Okay, just like, share and comment. If possible, you try to give your answers in the comment box. Thank you, and you can suggest for any improvement. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.